interdental brushes, what are interdental brushes, where do we use them, is it safe to use them, is what that we'll be looking into this looking in this video. This is Dr. Arun from Pearls Dentistry, running our dental centers at Chennai, Raja, Namalapuram since the year 2001. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel Pearls Dentistry, please do subscribe. We've got a whole lot of videos coming out in the next 1 year. So now let's look at what's interdental brushes. Basically, it's one of an interdental cleaning aid. What it means is we have tooth. Between the tooth, how are we going to clean? What are the aids that are available for us to clean? So in our last video, we saw that when there is the space between the two teeth are very tight, the contacts are very tight, we'll be using what is called a dental floss. So we'll be use a floss to clean it. But when the space is very wide, we also saw that the floss will be an ineffective method to clean our teeth, because it cannot engage and clean up all the surfaces of the teeth effectively. So in that instances, we'll use what is called an interdental brush. So interdental brush typically comes with a handle, and you have many kinds of bristles that are available. Generally those bristles are tufted, and you've got multiple thickness of these bristles that are available. So how we use it, we pass this bristle into this handle and then slide this thing down to tighten this bristle. Now this bristle has gone into the handle. Now this is an effective tool to clean the gaps between the teeth. So how do you use it? So it can be done as part of your regular brushing. When you have your toothpaste in the mouth, you have brushed your teeth, and between the gaps you pass the brush and then use to and fro motion. Don't use this brush to use it as a toothpick to pick up the food debris inside, because you can, one, bend the bristle, two, you can even push the food debris further down, or three, you can even break the bristle. So don't use it as a toothpick, but use it as a cleaning brush by using to and fro motion. How do we do it? So when you have a space between the teeth, pass it in, and can you see it's a gentle to and fro motion. So do a gentle to and fro motion, and then from the gum come towards out. So when you do the lower teeth, from the gum come towards the upper. So you can see it effectively cleaning the gaps between the teeth. Don't use it as a toothpick to pluck the tooth out, or so that you can actually break the bristle. So gentle to and fro motion and clean it up. Now, is it an effective tool? It's very effective and very safe. If you know how to use this, it's very safe to use it. A very good tool to clean between our teeth when there are spaces between the teeth, effectively to keep our teeth clean, to keep our gum health, and also to ensure that there are no decay happening between the teeth. And also when you have like a bridge done, or sometime an implant done, so this is a very effective method to clean wherever there are gaps between the restoration, the bridge or the implant crown that are done, and the underlying gum. If you have any questions on how to use it, of any other questions you have, please do ask in the comment section below. We'll be happy to answer. Of course, you like this video, please do like it and share it. And if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you, Dr. Arun from Pearls Dentistry. Until next time, bye bye and thank you.
Do you like the video? Press the like button. Do subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive such videos. Thank you.